Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, madam.
Myself, Vijayalakshmi.
Yes,
So,
madam.
to record a video with screen O-matic and
Okay.
save a video to desktop or anything, whether it does not show, that is, it is recorded by screen O-matic recorder.
Okay. Sorry. Can you come again?
After recording a video, if you publish directly to YouTube,
Okay.
it is showing that it is a screencast O-matic record
Yes.
done with this recorder. But when
Yes.
you save this video to MP4 as a desktop file, when
Uh,
that file is uploaded to YouTube,
uh,
it's not showing this is a screencast recorder video.
it will show, madam. You please try it out. If you are doing with free version, it will show. That watermark will be there.
Yesterday, I have uploaded first directly to YouTube, ma'am, but it does not appear in YouTube channel. So I went for another recording. After that, I saved as a MP4 file. After saving, I have uploaded to YouTube and shared the URL.
Yeah. Yeah. Whatever the way you chose, madam, when you use a free version, it will
Okay.
give you that watermark. No
Okay.
doubt about it.
Okay.
Unless otherwise you have taken a trial version of it for 15 days.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. I've seen, I think there are around 23 videos are there. Okay, I think we can start. It is already 28 and almost 10 minutes past. So we'll start. Please mute all of you.
सर मैडम
जी क्या हुआ? Somebody said something. I could not hear. Can you please type? Voice is cracking. Whose voice? Dr. Uma, okay, 5 minutes. Yes, granted those 5 minutes. It's almost 2:40 now. Okay. Okay, it's 2:40 now. We'll start. Today's session is about creating interactive video with HYP. What is interaction actually? In e-learning jargon, what is interaction? Interaction is anything that user interacts with. Either it can be play, pause button, rewind, stop, or anything that we touch upon and then we literally interact with the computer or the laptop or the mobile. That is called an interaction. Okay, need not to be a question and answer. It can be some text information also. So that is called an interaction. What is interactive video? Interactive video, also known as in e-learning jargon IV, or we call it a 4. It's like a standard video, okay? But with some, as I said, some interactions. That means a user can click on particular button or any hotspot. Hotspot means in digital language where it can take us to some other screen, or we can ask a question can pop up suddenly where user can interact with and can give his opinion or answer for that particular question asked, or any opinion asked, any comment that is asked. That means a user can skip the video to particular part by clicking on a hotspot, or he can answer and can move forward, or he can open a new web page or a new video. That is an interactive video, where a video gives an opportunity to the user to choose either some options or to answer some questions asked in between. I don't know how many of you are familiar with, because we are talking about interactive videos. We have to sometimes quote some real life examples also, and then what is happening around us. Uh, at the time of that, we are talking about these things. So I want to mention that how many of you experienced interactive cinema. That means a user can choose for that particular character what can happen to that character, whether that character will die or survive of that particular situation. Depending on that input given by the viewer, a cinema will move forward. How intellectual it is. I don't know how many of you experienced this, but yes, this kind of, yes, sir. Yes, Dr. Uma, it is there. Please Google it. And recently, one series also, not recently, a year back maybe, a series also launched on this interactive cinema on one of the media platforms. Yes, Arun sir, please Google it. Please be aware of these things, what's happening around us. Okay. I just wanted to mention. Yes, amazing. It is amazing. And how intellectually cinema can be made with the help of a technology. Similarly, we want to make our education, our teaching learning process is also as interactive as possible. That means as interesting as possible to the user. Ultimately, our goal is as educators to make the user, this case student or a learner, to learn some subject, grab some elements, grab the essence of that subject and perform well. Ultimately, we want him to grab the technology that we are teaching, or the science we are teaching, or any kind of a language that we are teaching. So how effectively, how engaging manner that we are going to teach them, that really matters. That's where comes the interaction. So here particularly we are talking about interactive video because we are all going to deliver various lectures in video format to the user. Okay, so how engaging and how effective we can make that video, that is very important. That's why we have chosen interactive video, because many teachers love this concept of interactive video when introduced. Okay, this is interactive video. Then what it does, actually we just spoke about it. It promotes some kind of inquisitiveness. That means, in a good jargon, it is an active learning. The learning is not a passive, it's an active way. The learner participates, and we can encourage their participation. We can really give emphasis on that particular topic and engage the user in a particular manner by giving some information or asking some question or redirecting him or her to the particular lesson or a topic or some screen on that particular video. Also, a facilitator or an instructor or a teacher, we call here, he or she can track the learner's activity depending upon the kind of a tool we use to build this interactive e-content. Either it can be number of attempts or minutes, number of minutes he spent on that, or various analysis is possible depending upon the kind of tool we chose to create interactive e-content. Also, this provides our users, that is here students, for them to communicate with the topic on that particular given topic, or comment on that, or just leave some expression on that, what teacher think and what user can think, he can input that particular option there. Okay, so how can we build these interactive videos? Remember, today we are only talking about interactive video. I'm not talking about interactive content. Okay, that is again a huge subject. We are narrowed it down to interactive video here. So, how can we create? In e-learning, we call authoring tools where we build lot of SCORM contents, interactive content, shareable content, object model, reference model contents. Various types of packaging can be done with using various authoring tools. It could be your Adobe Captivate, it could be your TechSmith's Camtasia, it could be iSpring Solutions, or it could be Articulate Storyline or a Rise Storyline. These are all names of various authoring tools, but they are very heavy on the pocket. Yes, I am not kidding. They are really expensive. They are very expensive tools. There are some open source and free authoring tools available, like Xert, we call it XERT, or we have EXE, or we have Course Lab. These kind of tools are available. But again, the question is, these days we are using various types of devices to access the content. Our user access our content with various. Somebody asked me, do we not do anything on screen? We will be doing it. It's up to you today. I will give entire class and then show a demo. And by, I think as a regular day, somebody asked me this. That's why I'm answering in between. I'm sorry. Uh, you have to submit some assignment by end of the day. I will be providing a demo, and the people who can do along with me can do along with me. And I'll give some tutorial files also. Yeah, moving forward, yeah, I'm talking about the device friendliness. We have to choose a tool, where any kind of a tool that is first pocket friendly, and moreover that how user friendly it is, how device friendly it is. These days we have to really give emphasis on this. How good it is on Android, how good it is on iOS, how good it is on Windows, how good it is on Mac, or how good it is on other Linux systems. Or we have to make sure that at least 90 to 99% it should be accessible with any kind of device and with any kind of operating system. Okay, not only that, even in the low bandwidths, it should be able to deliver to our user. That is very important. So that way, I feel, and then my favorite tool, and not just mine, many educators' favorite tool in the world is H5P these days. I've been using this past 7 years, maybe whenever it launched, and then I'm a big fan of H5P. I've been doing a lot of research on this, building a lot of content, especially for language and for technology people. And it's really working well. And then it really improves user stickiness, we call it. And that really engages learner, that makes active learning possible. And then that engages user. All these things can be possible with H5P. You know something, there are more than 30 varieties of content types that you can build using H5P. You please go to h5p.org and just explore about this later. But today we are confining ourselves to H5P to Moodle. I mean, in Moodle, how can we build? But why H5P? Okay, it is device friendly. What are the other features? Why we chose H5P? It is open source. That means not only it is free, its code is also available freely on GitHub. Okay, it's a technological platform, we call it GitHub, where its source code is available. Anybody who has coding knowledge, if they have a good engineer of HTML5 and the JavaScript, they can modify the look and feel or the functionalities of H5P. Yes, I'm not joking, it is possible with various open source softwares. Similarly, with your LMS model that you are practicing, it's also open source. Strong community build is help will be there for these kind of open source tools. And not only it is free, and it is with a rich look and feel of it, and we can not only create, we can share, we can reuse. Once we create that, we can always modify. That option is possible. And then very effectively efficient manner, we can build more than 30 varieties of content types. And we what we need to really build content this and deliver this. How can we create, share and reuse and modify using H5P is, you just need an online browser and a site where you can host your H5P, or any kind of a WordPress or a LearnDash or a Moodle platform where it supports H5P plugin. So today we are discussing about Moodle and H5P. How can we add that H5P to our Moodle sites? So as I said, there are more than 30 varieties of interactive content that is possible using H5P. But today we are focusing on interactive video. How does it look? If you observe this here, the screen, the video is playing. You observe this. The video is playing. You can see this play area. Okay, and suddenly this popped up. A drag and drop kind of a question is popped up, and the user will be restricted. Unless he answers this, he cannot go move forward. Or sometimes you can always allow user to move forward even not answering. That is up to you how you want to decide what kind of settings you give inside an interactive video interactions. So how can we do this? Not only questions, as I said, you can give some information, or you can give some prompts, or you can give some text also. It is also possible. So what kind of interactions we can add to a video in H5P using H5P? We can add multiple choice question or a single answer question, or we can have fill in the blanks types or drag and drop. You have just seen that not just drag and drop of images, even drag and drop text is possible. Or we can have a mark the word kind of activities. I'll show you some examples of this. And then we can have matching activity can be done, and we can use various tables and images, and we can direct the user to some other web page or other video using links. Okay, so these are all various types can be possible using H5P interactive video. So what is so special about these interactions? You know, when we add a kind of a quiz questions to a video, we can set the adaptivity. What is adaptable learning? That means depending upon the user's input, that particular software can guide you to go forward or to go backward and read that particular section again and come back and answer and then move forward. That kind of adaptivity can be set. For example, if the user has given correct answer, we can ask the user to skip some sections and go move forward. Or for example, he has given a wrong answer, then we can make the user to go through entire video again by giving that particular time code. Similarly, at the end of the video, we can have some interactive summary. Like we can give some summary kind of what we call some sentences of that particular activity or the video, the topic that we are talking about, we can ask him to choose which of these summary tasks are actually explained here. So that kind of thing is also possible. Somebody is using annotation, is it? I am not using it. Okay. And then coming to how do we add this? Anybody, I will try to give you a demo, real-time demo of if any advanced learners are there, you can, while explaining in this PowerPoint, you can keep doing along with me. I will demo it after my PowerPoint lecture. Okay.
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah. So you I think
Madam, are you, excuse me, madam, I just see a photo here. Is something going on screen or we are just listening to lecture? That is my query. I just don't know.
I answered that, madam.
We are just listening to your lecture right now. Okay.
It's up to you.
No, but I don't see anything on screen. That's what I'm telling. Are you sharing something on screen? Some problem with my phone or something gone wrong? That I want to be assured.
Can anybody answer that?
Ma'am is sharing PowerPoint.
See the PPT, ma'am.
Our end, it is clear your PPT is being shared, madam. Maybe madam is having some issue with the phone. She may.
That's what I want to know. I don't see anything here. That's why I'm asking.
Please move on to some other device, madam.
And if you put in chat, we can answer there instead of disturbing.
No, madam, I'm not. I'm just want to know something went wrong with my phone or what. Am I able to see the screen or not? That's what I was trying to ask actually. Okay, that's fine. Now I can see something on screen.
So
thank you.
You please carry on. Whoever wants to do along with the screens, please carry on. That is, go to your Nomio Moodle site, go to your course and turn editing on your course page. I hope all of you are aware of all these. I think today and yesterday also you have been introduced to Moodle LMS. And click on add an activity or a resource. And the activity chooser will come. This is we call activity chooser. In activity chooser, under activities, you please select H5P and then double click on that or click on add button here. These are the three steps that you are supposed to do. Going into your course page, click on turn editing on and then add an activity or resource, click on H5P under activity chooser, click add. And after that, you will be given a choice. Okay, I will demo this, don't worry. If at all any advanced learners are there, they please follow. And you chose interactive video. Okay, if there is any updates available, the screen will be like this. Otherwise, you will be given here choose option. You please choose that option. And then you will be taken to this kind of a screen where you click on use, or if you want to see the demo, you can click on content demo. Once you click on use, this is the screen that you land. You have to give your title here. Here you will be giving title. And then under this, under upload or embed a video, when you click on this particular section here, the plus sign, you will be taken to a window like this. A pop-up window will come where you have to give your video URL. That I think all of you published your video to YouTube, or you can take any OER from YouTube. You're all aware, today morning you might have practiced how to get that OER using YouTube, how to filter that. You all know about it. So you please get that and paste that URL here. So once done, you will land here and then choose the time code. Time code means here. Any video will have some time code. This is 2 minutes, 20 seconds. This is the entire time code. And then at what time you want to add any interaction. If you want to add a multiple choice or true or false question, you can choose the time code. You can bring this slider here and then choose from these toolbars. Okay, any interaction. For example, here I am taking a true or false. I have taken. So if it is a true or false or any kind of activity, this kind of window will come. Inside this, if you want pause video when this question or information appears, you please click on this pause video. Okay. And then you want this to appear as a poster. Poster means covering the video, or a simple button. So usually we select poster. Okay. And then if you want to give a label, please give a label. And then move forward. You will be given this option, behavioral settings and adaptivity. This is what I spoke in the previous slides, that behavioral settings means you want to show a retry button if the user goes wrong, or if you want to show solution button or a check and retry you want to give, you please give those options. And come to adaptivity mode, what a user can go to, where a user can go to on all correct and all wrong, and on all wrong, what a user can do, that can be set in under adaptivity. Okay. So this is what that adaptivity action on wrong. Usually I use action on wrong. I want the user to go back to the beginning. That's why I gave my time code as 0.00. Okay. So, and then I ticked this checkbox. This is why it's clearly explained. Require full score for task before proceeding. I want the user to get correct answer. Okay. So that he will, we can stop that, prevent skipping forward in a video option in interactive video. Okay. We can always check that option also. We'll see that while doing a demo. And once you're done that, you will be having your interactivity on a video on a prescribed time frame. This will be your activity window. You have to adjust this window using these corners. These corners, you can use any corner, you can pull it on the screen to adjust to appear how much ever part you want to. Okay. And then you can have more, I'll show you now the kind of tutorials available on H5P, how various demos are available. I'll show you, and in a help file also I have given that link here. I'll upload this PPT. So, and then come down, and in under Moodle activity, you have to give grade and activity completion settings. That's how we add this H5P interactive video to our Moodle site. So let us do a hands-on now. Let us add one activity. I will share my new share. I will stop and I'll share my screen, my Nomio site. I'll be sharing. You please open your, all of you open your Nomio sites.
Ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Is it not available in Moodle Cloud also? Is it not available in Moodle Cloud?
It is available, sir.
Sir, but I'm not, I have opened my Moodle Cloud, but it is not showing any kind of H5 interactive page.
Yeah, on Moodle, I'm also not getting. I'm also trying to search.
Okay, it should be enabled by the site administrator. You please go to your.
That's why we could not follow. I think this last 5 minutes, whatever you have explained, I could not follow that because it's not there on Moodle.
What is not there in Moodle? What
so
is
whatever you were staring in the last 5 minutes?
Yeah.
I could not follow that because I can't see that option on Moodle on my account. I don't know what about the other participants, but it's not there on my account.
Okay. So you are using Moodle Cloud, is it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So Moodle Cloud is a version of 3.9 and Nomio has a 3.6 or 7. Only look and feel will be different. In Moodle Cloud, you have to click on Turn Editing On button. You have that button in your course page?
Yes, ma'am.
Click on the Turn Editing On. And then you have add an activity or a resource.
We can move up to H5P option, but after that, no other option I can see here.
Yeah,
When, ma'am,
Yes.
Whenever we are turning on add-on activity or resource, automatically list of activities are there.
Yes.
Definitely, but we are not able to see the H5 interactive one.
Yeah, in activities it will be there. Click on activities tab.
Yes, ma'am. We have done that. I think I have done that. Assignment is there. Big blue button is there. External tool is there. Resources are there. They are all listed. But except the H5P interactive.
Yeah. Go to site administration.
Wait a minute, ma'am.
Go to site administration.
Yes, ma'am.
Plugins.
Now where we have gone to site administration then?
Then you have plugins.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we have after grades and plugins.
Yes. Under plugins, you have activities. Let me also show you my Moodle Cloud site otherwise. I thought all of you have Nomio site.
Actually, ma'am, we are following on Nomio only, but on that also we can't see this interactive.
We are on Nomio only.
Yeah, we all are on.
Yes, madam. On Nomio also it is not there, madam.
Yes, in Nomio also not.
I think in plugins we have to install.
Fine, madam. Please share your.
I am sharing.
Demo this part, and there we will be ready to go ahead with the things.
Yes, I will demo it how to enable it. Usually it is enabled in Nomio. Okay. I am sharing my screen.
स्क्रीन नजर ही नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ से, क्या प्रॉब्लम है वाली? स्क्रीन नजर ही नहीं आ रहा.
अब आ रहा है मैडम, अभी स्टार्ट हुआ.
ये कौन सा साइट ओपन करना है सर?
Here, sir, the eye should be open. You go to site administration, plugins, activity modules. Okay.
Activity modules are given.
Manage activities. Yes. Yeah. Under that, H5P should be enabled.
H5P is not there, ma'am. Genomio only I am.
Yes, madam. In Genomio also H5P is not there, madam.
Can you see my screen?
It is there. I can see it on the screen. On the Moodle screen, I can see it.
No, ma'am. In the Genomio, there is also H5O. I install it.
When you go to your course and say add resources, it shows H5P.
Yes.
What was?
I install in H5O, ma'am. H5OP in Genomio.
You install from the Genomio?
You don't have to install, sir. Let me tell you. Go to your course.
Go to the course, add activity, and it is visible over there as an icon.
Yeah, you have to click on turn editing on.
Yes.
And then you have this add an activity or resource.
Yes.
Click on that and you'll find H5P interactive. You can't?
I'm not getting.
Who is not getting, sir? If you are using Nomio, it will be getting.
Ma'am, I'm working on Moodle, ma'am.
Moodle Cloud.
Yeah.
Then go to site administration and see that under plugins whether H5P is activated or not.
You have said plugins. After the plugins, it is manage activities, isn't it?
Yes.
And in manage activities, almost all are there, except H5P. Except H5P.
You are using which site, sir? Can you please give me URL?
Indraneeth.moodlecloud.com. It's moodlecloud.com.
No. It should be moodlecloud.org. If I'm not wrong, let me check, sir.
No, I got, ma'am. From plugins, when I changed that settings, now I'm able to see.
In Moodle Cloud? Moodle Cloud?
No, ma'am, in Genomio.
Okay. So Moodle Cloud also, sir, you can't see H5P. I'm really surprising. It should be there. I'm logging into my Moodle Cloud page. Please be patient. I'm logging in.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes, sir.
In Geomi, after plugin, where should I go?
I'm just telling, sir, somebody is having a problem with Moodle Cloud. I am just solving them.
Okay.
I'm logging into my Moodle Cloud, sir. It's been so long. So that is the issue with this guy, you know. If you don't use for long, he will suddenly disappears. That's why I use CubeKnox LMS. If I don't use for 14 days in Google Cloud, Moodle Cloud, the site will disappear. He will delete it. I'm having one more Moodle Cloud site. You will find your H5P, sir. Please see. Meanwhile, I am getting into my site. He deletes after 14 days if I don't use it. So I have to re-register here. Or can you share your screen? That will be easy. I don't know that you are using.
I'm working on a PC, man, and it's old PC.
Okay. Then please give me. He deleted my site, so I have to re. That's why I hate this Moodle Cloud. Huh? If I don't use it, that's why I have my own site.
This website deletes, ma'am, or someone is admin?
It's website deletes, sir. Moodle Cloud.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. That's why I use CubeKnox LMS, or I use my own hosted sites. Like. Okay. I registered a new site now. 717236. Okay. You can see my site, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Whatever.
Ma'am, I'm trying to open also my Genome account. I hope I've already seen in Genome that there is there.
Yeah, but no, sir, I want to explain this also to all of you. Of course, it is always good to start with Nomio, but the version is a older version on Nomio. Moodle Cloud is the latest version, and CubeKnox also latest version. Okay, so please try to work with the latest version, sir.
But it must show that one.
Yeah, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So when it is not here in H5P, what you can do is go to site administration. Usually we have to enable it. Okay.
Plugins.
And then all this your site administrator will be doing it. Oh, surprisingly, there is no H5P activity, is it?
Yes, ma'am. That's what I'm saying.
Wait, let me check. Yeah, that plugin to be or enabled. It is enabled, sir.
Hello, excuse me, madam.
Yes, yes.
I opened my this Genomio site.
Okay.
In which I went to forums, Moodle forums.
Whoever is having, yes, tell me.
And in Moodle forums, there is some list appeared. I need to know where search courses is given here.
Sorry, madam, I haven't told anything like that. Please wait. Somebody is using Moodle Cloud site. I'm trying to help them out with the activities option. Let me first see that what is the wrong. Sir, whoever is using Moodle Cloud, I'll just get back on this. Can we use on Nomio? Because most of them are using Nomio.
Ma'am, I have switched over to Nomio.
Okay, great. Okay,
Madam,
great.
please tell how to enable HYP in Genome, madam, please.
Okay. So, but in Nomio, you don't have to enable, sir. By default, it will be there. You please check once.
That's what, madam, I was asking. When I opened forums, there are communities and then course categories.
I didn't ask you to open any forums or anything, madam. You will land on the dashboard and then click on your course, whatever course you have created. In your site home, there will be courses listed. If you have created any course.
I did not create any course so far.
That is the issue. Okay. So I don't know why you didn't. I think yesterday and the other day also they told you how to create a course. So if you create a course, inside a course, you will have this option, add an activity or resource.
Okay,
When
right.
you click on turn editing on. So everybody else have a course in their Nomio sites?
Yes, ma'am, we have already created.
Yes, great. So then you please click on turn editing on. Add an activity or a resource, then you'll find this.
After clicking the course, then add.
Yeah, turn editing on. Turn editing on. Following this?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. Click on turn editing on. You land on this page. And then click on add an activity or a resource. You'll have activity chooser.
Interactive content. Madam, in module, sorry, in Geonomy it is not shown. Madam, please help us to how to enable.
Okay, but it will show by default, sir.
Madam, I'm on this one only, but interactive content is not shown. SPP interactive content. Please.
Did you click on this, sir? Did you click on this?
Yes, madam. I already added activity or resource on page. Forums, glossary, lesson, everything is there. But interactive content is not there. Please help
Same
us to
procedure,
enable.
ma'am. I went to plugin, site administration plugin, and there I enabled.
Go to site administration, sir.
1 minute, madam. Yeah.
Okay, under plugins.
1 minute, madam. Yes, madam. Plugins.
Manage activities.
Manage activities.
And you see that H5P is there. Interactive content.
Yes, madam.
Is this I is in blue color or gray color?
Gray color, madam. I am enabling now.
Click on that, then it will become blue.
Yes, yes, madam.
Yes. Now
Thank you,
you go to your course and click on add an activity or a resource.
Madam, before this search courses are given here, shall I write something on that?
You haven't created any course now, madam. So you have to create first course. You please follow earlier days tutorials to create a course. Okay? Yeah. I cannot come from scratch today.
No, that's okay, madam.
Yeah. So click on this interactive content.
Madam, sorry for interrupt.
Yes, yes, sir.
I doesn't have H5P.
Then I
on
just
site administration.
H5P, sir, interactive content. You have
interactive content will be there, sir.
Interactive
content.
It is there, sir.
I'll show you that. H5P logo will be there and it is written as interactive content.
Interactive
content.
But when we have H5P, then we have three options, man. H5P overview, manage H5P content types, and H5P settings.
I'm showing here. You please see this here, sir. Site administration, and I'm going to plugins. I'm clicking on manage activities.
Yes.
And then come down. You have this option.
Interactive content.
Yeah. This manage activity was missing.
No, ma'am.
In some cases, madam, it is H5P. We don't have manage.
Actually, ma'am, in my screen also, my screen is showing somewhat a different design and different view. It's not showing interactive content. It's just showing H5P.
Okay, what version?
Yes,
what version?
Same here.
Yeah. It's because
Yes,
the screen and the setup what is there, which you are sharing, we are having a different design on our screen.
Okay, what site you are using, madam?
It's Nomio.
Okay.
Nomio.com /course whatever course I have opened that page.
Can you go to site administration and see the notification? What version of Moodle are you using?
Okay.
Sorry for ma'am.
Yes, site administration.
There is no interactive or H5P.
No, where are you seeing, sir?
Site administration plugin.
Sir, you follow madam screen sharing. You follow madam screen sharing.
Plugins and manage activities.
When you said this up, there is no like notification. We don't see anything except this box.
Okay, so did you go to plugins and then manage activities?
No, you just suggested to check in notification. So
yes. I wanted to see.
There we don't see any like updates.
There we have Moodle 3.9.1.
Yeah, I think it is 3.9 docs. Something is written. I don't know. Is it the version?
Okay. If it is 3.9,
Yeah.
the look and feel might be different, but you will have this H5P activity in activity chooser. That's not an issue.
Yeah. That is there, but it's not the way you are sharing. The screen is different here.
Okay, then you please share your screen. I will explain with that.
No, ma'am, I can do.
H5P is there. I mean, with different names. In some, it is written that content, and some people have direct.
Actually, I am trying on some other system.
Ma'am, it's true. Like it is showing H5, H5P, and then after this visibility, the settings are not there. Setting is not there. Then the last option is
let me
uninstall.
register one more site and see if it is, because mine is an old site, Nomio site only. Let me see what is the difference. Usually there won't be any difference. Okay. Usually there won't be any difference. Yes, sir.
I have seen H5P Nomio, but in my case also setting is not available.
Okay, let me see, sir. What is the problem you are facing? I'm not understanding. Let me check. I registered a new Nomio site so that I will be on the same page as you are.
We don't need settings now, ma'am. We only need it enabled. They are touching that right side settings.
Yeah, I will tell you. I will tell you. Or you please share your screen so that I can tell you. Okay. Meanwhile, I will open my new Nomio site. You otherwise, please share somebody your screen, whoever is using Nomio. I will try to tell you from there.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, I'm asking somebody to share. Yes.
I'm sharing. I'm sharing.
This is Nomio. Okay.
So H5, we don't see this.
Okay.
H5, if you see.
Sir, H5.
H5P is there, sir. H5P is there.
Yes.
No, setting. I'm saying setting.
Already H5P is turned on.
It is turned on. Don't do anything. Yes,
Yeah.
don't do anything. Don't do anything.
That one. Don't hide.
Don't hide.
Okay.
Go to your course. Go to your course.
So for everyone, it's like that.
Yes.
Also it is like this only.
Thank you.
Yeah. If it is like
Ma'am,
this,
the problem is in the when we go on to the course bar, there when we add an activity, so there we can't see the screen which you
now
are.
I understood. Now I understood your problem.
Yeah.
Your new Nomio site is a new 3.9 version. Let me go to the new version of it so that you will understand it. Got it. I got the problem.
I'll stop my sharing.
Yeah, please.
जिया सर द सर्च कोर्सेस में क्या लिखना है सर?
क्या बोले सर?
सर्च कोर्स जो है ना, मेरे पास वो जिनोमियो साइट 3 दिन से खुल नहीं रही थी, अभी खुली है वो. हाँ, तो वो सर्च कोर्स में कुछ लिखना है, तो उसके बाद
नहीं आप
please
अपना
do it on the chat, please.
No, I want to go along with you, madam. Just I want to share a dialogue with him. Please bear with me for a few minutes.
No, तैयबा जी मैं आपका वो लिख रहा हूँ उसमें WhatsApp का मैं बता रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, मैं देख लेती हूँ सर. अच्छी बात है. Thank you.
So you all now can see the share screen.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So yours will be something like this, and then I click on add an activity. You will choose here your H5P interactive content. I just changed my logo. Don't worry. Or I should go to the same Nomio site.
Madam, try to restore, madam. Sometimes it is telling like that.
Yeah. So shall we go forward?
Yes,
Ma'am. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I am sharing my screen.
Okay, please share. Please share.
And we have to get guidance after manage activity from the page manage activity.
Please share your screen, sir. Then I can guide you. Not an issue for anyone. Please, for them who have not created their site, please create your site. Refer your earlier days instructions. Please share your screen, sir. Please share your screen, sir.
Someone is sharing, or is it your ma'am?
I am not sharing. I believe.
Is someone sharing? Yeah.
Someone is sharing. I don't know who is this.
Yeah, Zoom cloud meetings it is showing, madam. I think.
Dr. Vikas is
Yes,
sharing.
ma'am.
You are sharing the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
I could have shared, but I'm working on different system actually.
I wanted to share if your is not working, Dr. Vikas.
Yeah, please share. Somebody who's working on the same kind of a site, please share that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yours
This
is
is
a
my
model
side.
cloud again. Because many people are using Nomio, please share whoever is using Nomio.
This is my side, ma'am.
Yeah, your site, okay. But
you are using Moodle Cloud, but most of the people are using Nomio.
We want Nomio, sir. We want Nomio.
Majority people are using Nomio, sir. I'm trying to get.
If you stop it, then someone can share.
Yeah, someone.
Moodle.
Yeah.
Moodle, can you stop once?
Sir, you have to stop sharing.
Somebody please stop sharing.
Who is sharing?
Vikas.
Go to the course page, whoever is sharing.
So, at this site administration.
No, not site administration. Please go to your course page.
Add the activity. You have to go to your course page.
You have to go to course page.
No.
Course.
Go to site administration. Go to site administration.
Okay.
Okay.
Click on courses.
Sir, that is not the right way. That is not the right way.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to click on site home.
Site home. Okay.
Yes.
Scroll down.
Yeah, down.
Now your course is there.
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to click on course.
Yes.
And try with this.
Click on to add an activity or resource in a section or a topic where you want to add hitchhiking. Not there. It's a general section. There we don't
This
add
one.
any activity.
This
Yeah.
one. There.
Yeah. 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 Under activities, click on activities. Yeah. Click on H5P. The second, yes. And give a name.
Any short name?
Or just name any name to this activity. I don't know that you are all using latest version.
We are using the same version, ma'am. Now we can see it. Now we can follow it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next, ma'am.
Come
Next.
down. Come down. Yeah. Use content bank. Click on that.
It's going to a different page.
Yes. So here,
Okay.
click on add. Oh, you don't have libraries enabled. Okay. 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 What we'll do is now click on upload. We have some content libraries to be appended, sir. So here libraries are not appended. So you please go to site administration once. Yeah. And then come down. Yeah. H5P. Top. Yeah. Manage H5P content types or settings, any of them. Yeah. Content type. Okay. So you click on this H5P available content types from h5p.org. Okay, you have to enable this, sir. For this, I will give you one link here in the chat box. You please content types, you please add from here. I'm giving a link.
And how you reached here in the site administration? After going there, where we have to go?
You please go to H5P, madam. H5P.
Okay. H5P directly or from the activity?
For him, the content bank is not ready, sir. Ready.
Oh, directly.
Yeah.
So did I miss something about library, building library?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That we have to update it. I'm giving you this H5P download option. You please install that. Usually it won't ask. I don't know why. Sometimes it really changed. Usually it won't ask. I'm giving you.
Ma'am, please share link.
Already existing H5P videos here.
Somebody is saying something.
Do we need to upload the already existing H5P videos here?
See, sir, we haven't created any. We can create in h5p.org also, but that is a free site, which I don't want to do that. And that is only for a what we call for only trial purpose we use it. So we try to use in the Moodle site only. I am trying to update it for you.
In my Genomio, when I clicked on it directly, I got search for content type, course presentation, multiple choice quiz. I got directly, ma'am, not all this.
Yes, you should get that, madam. I don't know why here it is not
The
getting.
moment I clicked on that, I got adding a new interactive content description and directly asking me for type.
Yes. Yes.
Madam, for me also it came like that.
Sir, can you click on H5P settings once instead of manage libraries? Yeah, come down. Yes, it save changes one. Yes, your library is up. Yes, let me check 1.24. Yes, it is up to date, sir. See the overview also. Once you save it, see the overview also. Even I got it in my new Nomio site.
Actually, it is setting only, madam. We have to go to the course.
Please, we are not able to follow how you are getting into this.
1 second, madam. 1 second. You already have it, so you don't have a problem.
No, ma'am. I'm not having. I'm having the same thing. The screen which you are sharing right now. That problem I am also having on my desktop.
I'm not sharing any screen. He is.
No, Zia screen. Yes.
Madam, after going to the course, should I do the right click?
Right click for what, sir? I don't know which versions you are using. That's why there is a confusion.
No, I have gone to my, I have prepared the course, and now I think
add an activity or
It
resource.
was like this when we ma'am suggested H5. She asked for content bank opens in new bank.
Yes, you have to open.
Then this page came up.
Yes, and then there should be some content readily available here. For that, you have to upload some content types.
Madam, content types means interactive video course presentation, multiple choice questions like that. Madam?
Yes, all these.
Yeah.
You will get it by default. You will get it there, sir.
Yeah, by default we got already.
Yes, somebody got it, somebody didn't get it. So who didn't get it? That I'm trying to give you that link.
Yeah, I can't see anything, just a content bank and a blank search and a blank box, nothing else.
That's okay, madam. You are okay.
Okay.
You're okay.
So, ma'am, I mean, is my page having library now?
Yeah. What we can do is we can just simply download, go to h5p.org. I'm trying to give you that. Go to h5p.org.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, there are examples and downloads.
Do we need to have account or directly we can download?
You can directly add, sir. That's why you need not to have. You can just go to your.
This one interactive video.
Yeah. 1 second, sir. I'll tell you. Yeah, interactive video, and then click on reuse.
Video.
I can't see your screen though.
Now it's not visible.
No. You click on reuse, and then you'll get a pop-up. Down. Go down, sir. Up, little up. Up. Here, reuse. Click on that reuse. This reuse grade just below that. Up, sir. Up. Yes, here, on top.
Just below the play button.
Just below the play button.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's so small. Yeah. Right.
Okay, download. But this is not a right way, sir. I will share in the forum what is the right way. Now go to your Moodle site.
This one?
Yeah, and manage H5P content types. Click on that content types. We'll see if it can be added here, or we'll directly add it to content bank. You try to drag and drop this file here. Drag and drop this interactive file. No, sir. Stay on that page. Yes. Drag this interactive file onto this box.
Go to this file where that has been saved.
Download folder.
Yeah. No. Just click on that. Click and drag that interactive video.
This will go directly.
Directly, yes. Drag.
Okay. I thought to open folder.
You have to drag that onto this box. Yes. Drag that.
Yeah.
Yes. Wait, sir, till it takes. Usually, a zip files we have to include all the types of content.
This is new addition, ma'am. From download, we can directly.
On my screen, I can't see even the manage H5P content types. Only the content bank is coming, and no other option is there to add or.
Okay, madam, sir, please come up. Show madam where you are. Madam, you please follow site administration. Then
Yes,
H5P.
Then H5P.
Then manage H5P content types.
Site administration में
Click on H5P.
Shall I show again, or this will be lost?
Again, you have to do this.
Oh.
Please, Zia, can you do it again? Because on my side administration mein jaake, I can't see H5P directly. Either I have to go through plugins or I have to search somewhere.
Okay, site administration mein jaiye aap.
To leave this page.
Leave.
Actually, I could have shared my screen, but I am working
Yeah.
on some other.
Now I'm doing. Please follow. Now I'm doing site administration.
Yes. Here, how I will search H5P.
We'll have here in the down, scroll down.
Okay.
And go to manage H5P content types.
Okay, yeah, I got it. Thank you, Zia.
Most welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem.
So I have to again drag, ma'am.
Yeah, please. But I will tell you the solution, sir, for this after, because I have a meeting at 3:45. I postponed to 4:15 now. So once we do this, I will post a link how to have that content and explainer video also. Okay. Not to worry.
Have to upload now?
Yeah, upload. Yes. Upload.
Yeah. Done.
Okay. So just come down, sir, once. Yes. All of them have come. Very good. Okay. Now go to your course, sir. So everybody who didn't have in the content bank, click on content bank, sir. Come down, sir.
Yeah. Shall I click?
Now click on add. Yeah, click on interactive video. Yes. So everybody is following this. Let us ask.
Madam.
Directly, ma'am. It was already there directly.
Okay, for whoever have already there, you please click on add and then click on interactive video. Sir, for you, it is still loading.
Okay.
Ma'am, the button add is not being, not reflecting any kind of thing.
Yeah, that is because your libraries were not updated, sir. For that, follow
Madam,
whatever sir has done just now.
Madam, I have got H5P and there are three options: H5P overview, managing H5P content types, and H5P settings. Where should I click now?
Manage.
Manage, okay.
Ma'am, can it be not done through upload section?
It can be done, sir, but here what happens is your entire content libraries will be updated. That's why we are doing it here. I don't know why this is taking a lot of time.
It's taking.
Yeah. In my desktop also, it's taking a lot of time in uploading.
Okay, let
me. Sorry to interrupt, madam.
Let me do that.
Madam, sorry to interrupt. In upload H5P content types, already I am asked to drag and drop the file. Can I use the PPT which I have already prepared for this purpose last day?
Please wait, sir. I am not talking about any PPT. Today we are trying to do with video. Okay?
PPT is not an interacting video.
Please wait.
Is it delayed for everyone?
That's what I am trying. I am trying to see.
After it is loaded.
Yeah, it's taking time here also.
After it is loaded, you can click
after loaded, have to do favor.
Yeah, I am trying from my side, sir. Why it is taking time? Let us wait for. Okay, it has come actually.
Slow, ma'am.
That's why it would have been much better if at all your Manu site ka if Manu's site is working, I think that has some problem, they said.
Yes, madam. That is not displaying today.
Yeah.
Madam, it is done for me.
Oh,
Sorry?
very fast.
We have done it.
Oh, great.
Is
Great.
it LAN network? LAN network or mobile?
Bandwidth maybe.
Bandwidth. Okay.
This is a new version he updated, I think, in Nomio. It is taking lot of time, even for it has come, sir, now for me. So I will demonstrate.
Yes, madam. You please share your screen and demonstrate.
I am stopping it. Then you may demonstrate.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So I am in the content bank of the course. Okay. And then I click on add. I select this interactive video. And then I land on this screen. I give a title to it. And then I click on this plus sign. I have to give a URL. Why I don't want you to upload a video file is, as I explained yesterday also, that it takes lot of bandwidth for a site to load a video file. So to avoid that, to ease of access to increase करने के लिए आपको you have to use a URL from any streaming server. Here we are using a YouTube version. I am taking one of my videos that I published, or what you can do is, you all know how to search for a OER for your subject. Okay, you all know that, right? How to search for a OER video. You can take that OER video. You can take that OER video or your own video. Okay, and then paste that URL here. And then I click on insert. Till here, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So click on insert. And then add interaction. You have to click on this or click on add interaction here. Anything will do. Okay. Till here, everybody has reached?
Yes.
Okay. Till here, is it clear?
It's clear. We have, I mean, our loading is still going on. So
Practice later, ma'am. You show us how.
we'll show, we'll follow.
Okay, you will do later, right? That's fine.
Because it is still uploading.
Even if you don't find, even if you feeling any problem while doing it, I will share all this. h5p.org is the, I'm typing in the chat box that option. You can go there and see all the tutorials. Okay, for all types, I will share this h5p interactive video tutorial. I will share that. hyp.org is only, remember that it is just what we call, for a trial purpose we use it. You have to either have your own site or a Moodle or LearnDash or a WordPress to use this particular H5P tool. So in hyp.org, if you want to use, you have to
Video and upload it to YouTube. Can we use that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we should use that link of that video.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I pasted the tutorial here in the chat box. If you have later any trouble, you can go through all that. That is the beauty of this tool. We have nicely given all the tutorials for every content type. There are 30 varieties. We are concentrating today mainly on interactive video. Okay, after uploading, giving your YouTube video here, you click on add interactions. And this is my video. And he will give you a tour. You please follow. First time users, try to understand by clicking on next. What are all you can do. Okay. And then after you are done that, you should know where exactly you want to give your question. So if you want to give your question somewhere here, for example, I want to give, okay, then what can I do? As I explained, this bar contains lot of activities that you can use. Okay, I can use true or false. For now, I'm using true or false. Okay, I'll use true or false. I want the video to be paused. Observe that the time code it has taken where I have set it on the play bar. And I want to appear as a poster. And I give a title, untitled likha hua hai. I'll say true or false question. So I say a question. This video is about activity restriction. So I give I'm giving my question here. In a model course, you can restrict entire topic, true or false. Okay, the answer is true. And then under behavioral settings, I don't want retry option because this is a true or false question. Either it can be true or a false, right? Or feedback on a wrong answer. So I will show a solution will be given, and then feedback on wrong answer. I will say in model course, any activity or a section can be restricted. Okay, and then under adaptivity, as I told you, on all wrong, what a user can experience. On all correct, what user can experience. Action on wrong, I want him to go back to the beginning. I want him to do. Okay, action on wrong, I don't want to do anything. And I want require full score for before proceeding. I will say done. And this is my activity. I adjust these. As I told you, we have to adjust this. Okay, the screen to appear like this. If you select that to appear as a button, it will appear as a button. I selected as a poster. If you want to edit this question, you can always double click it and again you will come here. Okay, I say done. So it is done now. I don't want to add any more questions. If you want to add, you can take it and add questions. And then under behavioral settings, I will say prevent skipping forward in a video. You can select that so that user cannot skip, go forward. Okay, you can do that. I selected that and I say save. Now it is saved in my content bank. Okay. One more thing is, if you want to edit again, you can click on edit. Yeah. This is an interactive video title that you have given. And then behavior settings that you have set for this. Okay. You can choose if you want to edit this again, any interactions or anything, you can always choose. And there are two more buttons here I want to explain. Copy, paste and replace is, this works on the same site. For example, you have created one interactive session or a course presentation or anything, you can copy and again on a new H5P activity, you can paste and replace. Okay, that is for little advanced. You please explore H5P, you will know a lot of things. For now, I'm just saving it. So right now, this content is available in my content bank. I'm going back to my course. I'll click on add an activity or a resource. I will add H5P. I'll give name. I'll come down. So I can choose this. I can choose one of these files. I can download this also. So I said demo interactive video to be added. Sorry. I don't know why this fellow is not giving me these options to show you reuse and edit options to be given. So that I can download this and use it directly from the content bank. Okay.
Cannot see your.
Sorry,
Cannot
sir.
see your screen.
Oh, okay. When the internet connectivity slows down, I think my share is going back.
Ma'am, here also it's not downloading. It's still showing loading. Please wait. Is there any other site or any other way we can do this thing?
Yeah, what you can do to practice is you can practice in h5p.org for now. If you want to practice it, you can.
Is it because of speed or we need to
Speed, sir.
shift
Maybe
speed only?
sir. Maybe
Okay.
speed.
No, but I think Zia is also facing the same problem. My desktop is also showing the same thing.
Okay, then go to h5p.org and practice. Maybe that
all
is
the other sites are working. All the other sites are working properly and there is no speed delay.
Okay, which one is having a problem?
Yeah, that's true. All other sites, I mean, it's very
Yeah, other
fast.
sites are working properly. That interactive content bank, na, that issue.
Okay. That is with Nomio, not with any other. That is maybe you can see my Nomio option. That is a older one. He maybe recently updated it.
I don't know how many other participants are facing this problem, but here it is not loading. I think it will not load because it's taking that much of time.
I do have one and in less than a minute it was loaded.
Yeah, what you can do is, if all of you are okay, I am here to explain, because unless otherwise I do this, I don't leave you today, because even for me,
Yes, ma'am, you are right. But do we have to submit any assignment related this thing? Because otherwise we can't do.
This is more to do with your. We want to give you some knowledge about how interactive things work.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, it was going very nice, but suddenly
yeah.
stopped.
I'm actually
what you can do is you can go to lumi.education. I just typed one site there and download this tool to your desktop. You can download this.
Okay.
Please download it.
Ma'am, come again, ma'am. Which one?
I have typed one URL on your chat box that is called lumi.education. 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 I typed in the chat box. You please go to that site and then download it. Download it to your PC and please download and install it. I'll show you from there. If it is a problem here, I will show you from there. That may be easy for you.
Madam,
yes, sir.
Kept the mic and using the two PC and keeping the microphone on.
I can't hear you, whoever is saying.
No, he's saying about echo. Someone's two devices are open. So
Yeah. So, is there any problem installing Lumi?
Please switch off the mic.
we have started, ma'am. Started.
Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello. Up to this time, I doesn't have H5P.
Yeah, please download lumi.org, lumi.education and download H5P, sir, please.
Lumi dot.
I typed in the chat box.
This is the page, man.
Yes, come down, sir. Download.
This download, no?
Yeah. If you click on download, it will give you 3 options. Yes, Windows, click. If you are using Windows, click on
Yeah.
Windows.
Ma'am, if I have older Genomio, no need, no ma'am.
If you can add the content, you please add from there, or try to practice this way also, ma'am. This is always good idea to, so that you can develop on your desktop, need not to go to your LMS, and then you can add these files directly to your LMS. This is a good idea to do. Please follow it.
It's done, madam. It has come Lumi H5P editor. Open existing H5P or create new H5P is asking.
So, ma'am, we have to drag this again in
Show
the
me,
same
sir.
box.
Show me your screen, sir.
Yeah, it's showing. Download it.
Yes, double click it, sir. It will install. If majority have installed it, I will share my screen, how to operate this tool.
Yeah, it's better.
I reload the page and I could see that it has added that thing in the interactive video H5P in Nomio. I think Zia, you can also reload that page.
Okay.
Yeah, it worked, yes. And now, ma'am, I can see on my screen. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, well.
So I'll stop this one.
But the thing is, you have to create one H5P to upload it to your course.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So
it's
shall
also
I share
showing
my
third.
screen now? Shall I share my screen now?
Okay, ma'am. But are we going with Lumi setup or
Yes,
the old one?
Lumi.
So you have to give us 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay, sure.
I'm stopping my screen.
Yeah. So we are going with Lumi. You know, the technology rapidly changes these days. This proves. It's hardly few days that I have taken one session on Nomio, 2 weeks back. The setting is entirely different.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, the
Yes.
link which you have given, with that I have opened it on my phone. So are you going to start it all over again? Shall I proceed with you with the help of your video or what?
You please decide yourself, madam. You please use your PC.
Okay, fine. Right. I'll do it.
Ira, what did you say? You refreshed it? Or
Yes. Actually, I again, I thought I should again add that link to that portion. So I reloaded again. When I reloaded again, so after that, I could see that page which madam was sharing.
Okay, now shall I continue with Lumi?
From my side, madam, here I am okay. I don't know about the other participants.
Lumi we have opened, madam.
Okay, fine. Okay, let me save this.
Give me a few minutes, madam. I'm just doing it on my PC. Just a minute.
This is the screen that you all should be on.
maybe Speed has gone down.
When you install Lumi, this is the screen that you all should be on.
Yes, madam.
And then click on create new H5P.
Yes, madam.
And select interactive video.
That's really good. Yes, ma'am. Install.
And then click on use.
Install has come, madam.
Sorry?
In my system, it has come installed. I'm selecting.
Yeah, please install it. If it
Need to install. Okay.
If there are any updates available, it will say install.
Okay.
Yeah. This is rapidly changing technology, and which is 99%, 99.9% all
Then
device friendly. All device friendly. That's why they are updating it very frequently. And then you can create wonderful content with H5P. Very, very lucrative and very user friendly. And as if you are using any Adobe Captivate or any other authoring tool like Storyline. Those type, all these content types, you please explore.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
Excuse me, madam. It's Lumi Education. So site is open. Shall I again click on Lumi Education, Lumi.education?
Madam, I told to download Lumi from Lumi.education, and then they all downloaded, and then they are creating H5P using this Lumi. Okay, right. You please download.
Right.
So click on interactive video.
Yes.
Yeah, and then click on use. If you want to see demo, you can click on demo. Or right now we are not seeing any demo. We are running out of time. So we are clicking on use.
Yes.
And this is where we will be. You please give a title. And the same procedure again. Whatever that you want to give, that URL, you please give. And then add interaction. I'm adding interaction here. Somewhere in between. I say true or false. I want pause video. Don't say untitled. In Moodle course, you can restrict a topic or section. It is true. So I go to behavior. I don't say retry. I say solution. You can restrict either an activity or a resource or a section in a This is my explanation for wrong answer. Adaptivity on all wrong. I'll seek to the beginning of the video. I want him to go back. Okay. I say done. My system just got stuck.
Ma'am, this page will be similar even
yes,
in the Genomium.
On the model
Yeah,
also same, sir. It is the same.
Okay.
It is the same until. Okay. You can see my screen. Suddenly it is going here.
Your screen has gone. Restart.
Yeah. Again,
it's there.
Whenever the internet connectivity is low. So I added my interaction, and then I'm going down. So when you please select your behavioral settings the way you want it. Okay. And then say save. This is the save button here. In all the new technologies, the save is no more a save letter. This is for accessibility purpose. They are giving like this as a button like this. In many latest softwares, you will find this. You please click on save. So it will be saved. So I saved it, my interactive video as demo, or I say demo 1.1. There will be a lot of demos. So this is how I saved it. And then I come to, you can see my Nomio site, right? You can see my site?
It's
Nomio
gone.
site. I'm in
It's
Nomio
gone.
site.
Oh, yes. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. So here I have to add my interactive content. So click on double click and then upload a file. Then I choose a file. I created a demo here. You can see this. A demo file. It will be saved like this. I saved it on my desktop.
It's not visible.
Sorry, what is not visible?
The file you are trying to show that it is saved here.
Oh, I'm sharing.
The upper part is not visible, ma'am.
Upper part is like, okay, choose a file.
Yeah.
There, what the cursor where you're keeping, there nothing is visible.
Yeah, because they don't show my files maybe.
Okay.
I chose my H5P file.
Okay.
I give a file name and then I say it is a Creative Commons I want to give. Okay. Then upload this file, you say. Okay. So basically what you're doing is using your Lumi, you're creating H5P content. Okay. And then you are uploading it here. Add an activity and then updating it here. Then in H5P options, if you want to allow download or embed option like we have seen just now, reuse option, then you check this. Otherwise, don't check this. Under grade, I want to give 10 points for this video to you see and answer my questions. And attempts, in some kind of H5P activities, it will show you number of attempts also. Okay, number of attempts a user has taken in the grade book. So it's always better, leave it as a default yes. And activity completion, I choose show activity as complete, a student must receive a grade to complete this activity. I say save and display. It is taking time to load. Yeah, there it is. There is yeah, this I didn't resize it, right? That's why it is showing like this. I have to resize it in the Lumi. That's where my screen got stuck earlier. So anybody can do it?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah.
When we are uploading this interactive video, first we have to download that video or we can directly take from the YouTube?
You have to create this interaction, right? On a video?
Yes.
Yeah. So to create that from YouTube directly, you can take that link and add that video.
Okay, and these interactive questions can be added.
Yes, to that video. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Shall I show it again from taking a YouTube video, OER video?
Because right now you took from your files.
Yes. Yeah, because no, madam, you don't get confused. Don't get confused. I will show you again. Using Lumi, what we did is we created a new H5P and I took an interactive video. I said use, and then here add a video is button there, right? It's a plus sign.
Yes.
Yeah, here I have given that URL.
Acha.
Yeah. So that URL can be any OER video or it can be your whatever you published yesterday creating a video. That video, your video can also be. So add that video here and create. And then add interaction and then save it. And this file, what I did, I added here.
I'm just getting confused. You have saved that file. That saved file will be there in my course, or it will be saved somewhere else?
You are using Lumi, right?
Yeah, no, ma'am. Now I am back again with Nomio.
Okay.
Because it is downloaded.
Yeah.
Can this YouTube recording be given to us, the link, so that we can watch what you were doing and try again?
Yes, madam. What I'll do is I will give you the entire flow, but try
Yes.
to understand whatever the interface is,
Yes.
whatever the look and feel is,
Yeah.
functionality will be the same.
Yeah, but still, I mean,
Yeah.
when I go through it second time, I will follow it better.
Yes, correct. Don't get
Ma'am, I got it. I think this file will be saved in the content bank, and then from the, yes, I got it. Thank you.
From there you can
practically when I will do, then only I can understand that thing na, from where it is being.
So when you did it, it is saved in your content bank.
Yeah.
So from content bank, you have to access that in your course.
Yes. Now I got
it right.
Thank
you got it right. Yes, welcome. I will share anyway tonight that video. I have actually a call scheduled. Yes.
Ma'am, I just want to know when we are on the page of content bank.
Yes.
Then how to add the video there? I just want to know that. Thank you.
When you click on I am going there again, you can even go from here, this content bank. It's a new feature introduced actually, very new feature introduced. You click on add, and then this is the interactive video. From here you can add. So how to grab this into your course, I will share the video with you. Don't worry. I will share the video.
While uploading this H5P content which was created using Loopy tool, it is showing the error validating H5P package failed. What is the possible results?
I don't know. What is that, sir? What is it saying?
When I'm trying to upload the content which is created using Lumi software,
okay.
I try to upload, but after trying to upload, it is showing validating H5P package failed. It is showing the error. What are the possible reasons?
Yeah, possibility is that you have to update your content types in Lumi, sir, or in Nomio, either ways.
Okay.
I will show you the same error I found, and then I will show you the same error what I posted in the H5P forums, and then I resolved it by updating my libraries.
Okay.
I will show you, sir, right away.
Zia sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is Indrajit. Can you tell me how the add button can be made active? That's all. Library. What?
You can see this. So whoever asked me that doubt, I posted same error. If you see this.
Yes, madam.
Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I found solution myself. This happened on 14th.
Okay.
Okay. Moodle throwing an error even for a file downloaded from. Then I realized that there might be a content type updation issue. So I checked and updated interactive content video type in the Moodle site. Okay. So sometimes what happens is your Moodle site in the content bank may not be updated version of it. So then this updation issue will throw. So you have to update in a Moodle content bank. The content type should be updated. I will share how to update that, but I don't know in Nomio. There's a new Nomio. I think he launched 3.9. Of course, I am also using 3.9 in my own site. I will share this solution also as a video to all of you, because this is a very common error that we get.
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
When we click to this H5 options in Genomio, there is also option of allow download. Is it that will help in updating?
No, sir. This allow download is for when you see that, for example, I will show in my course what is there. Okay, I will show you what is that allow download option. See, this is where you are saying, right? Allow download.
Yeah.
Allow embed. I do this. Okay, and then I say save and display. if you observe, there is a small bar here.
Yeah.
This is the option that it gives. The user can download this particular content type.
Okay.
So this is nothing to do with your library updation.
Okay.
Okay, sir?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. In h5p.org, you have more than, I said, 35 varieties of content types. You please explore h5p.org and then come to your Moodle site and see what kind of content types that you can create. If you want, I can do some demo also for a language, what are all I have done for Telugu language. And I have used various types of content types. And then there is a course presentation option also there. So it's a huge, again, a big portion, sir. So you please explore. In 2 hours, we can't do anything. Take a 1 week sessions on this.
Yeah. In fact, even this session needs entire day, I think, for
I think, sir,
many of us.
It's highly technical and almost
it's not
requires
at all, I don't know, sir, why you call it technical, but just the thing is, everybody should be on the same page. What happened today is many of them are using Nomio, many of them are using, some of them are using Moodle Cloud, some of them are using 3.8, some of them are using 3.9. That is the issue. If we are all on the same page, then it is a big relief. I don't want to introduce to all of you to Lumi today because you will get confused. But then I realized you're all on similar, different versions of Moodle. So what I thought is it's better to give you a desktop application where you can create your own H5P interactive video content and upload it to your course page. This is clear, sir, right? Using Lumi, please, I will type it here. Please use Lumi to create interactive video and save. Then add an activity that is H5P in your Moodle course and upload the H5P file you created using Lumi. Is this clear, sir? Is this clear, sir, now?
Yeah, we'll follow, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
We should try, ma'am. We will try and get back.
Please. And I will create another forum in the Manu site. I don't know whether it is up now. I think they are saying it is up. So I will create a forum. You can ask the doubts there, and everybody, please let us answer other queries so that you all can learn together. We all can learn together. Okay. And tonight,
Madam, today's assignment, how can we submit?
I think you can submit by tonight or tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow also you can do, sir.
No. I said, madam, how can we submit as Mono site is not functional?
Sorry.
As Mono site is not opening, then how are we supposed to submit the assignment for today?
I think
now, ma'am, it is open.
It is open now.
And first we need to create it.
The most important thing is first you need to understand and then you have to create it. That's the more important.
First of all,
you need to understand it and then you have to create it.
Yes. So
now the Manu LMS is opening, sir. Now.
Yeah, I shared one tutorial for you. Try to just see the tutorial. Don't worry about your course or Lumi or anything. Try to understand how to create an interactive video. You grab the ideas, you note down the ideas, what are all you want to give to your video. Then come to Lumi and create one interactive video and then submit it. Okay.
Ma'am, you shared PPT in Manu site. Did you share there?
Now I will share now. I will update and share, madam, because you are using now Lumi. I will update it how to use Lumi and then update the content in your course.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Otherwise, I would have shared right away. But many of you are first-time users. You are getting confused with the look and feel of it.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
I definitely understand that. People will get confused with the look and feel of it, but functionality will be the same. But anyway, I update the using how to use.
Sorry for interrupt, madam.
Yes.
I have done.
Oh, okay, great.
Thank you,
It's a
ma'am.
good interruptions.
Good. Great. I want to see some outcome today. So I want all of you to enjoy that interactive video and interactive content.
We will, madam. We will try. Yeah, we will do. Yeah.
Please. So with this, we will end this session. Actually, I am running late for another call. I am.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Go
so
to
much.
the important
Thank you, madam.
in the forum. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. I'm
Thank you.
ending this.